Hello students, I am JP Goswami. Here I brought you balanced and unbalanced forces in this video. So what are balanced force and what are unbalanced forces? Students, balanced forces are two forces acting in opposite direction on an object and equal in size. These are an object. If we apply two equal forces in against direction, it do not move. In this condition, objects stay still or continuous moving at the same speed. If it is moving in the same speed and I am applying the balanced force, so it does not stop, it remains in continuous moving. You can understand, you got it? Then what are unbalanced forces? Forces that cause a change in the motion of an object are unbalanced force. Force that causes change if an object is moving and unbalanced force is applied, the velocity of the moving object is changed, its acceleration is changed. So we can say unbalanced forces are applied on the object. Note, unbalanced forces are not equal. If two or more than forces are applying on the object, they never be equal in magnitude and direction. It can change the position, direction and motion. If unbalanced force is applied on the moving object or stationary object, it can change the position and direction of the motion. The combined forces are difference between the two forces. If two forces are applying, the resultant force will be the different. What will be difference in these two forces? The force which will be larger, the object move in that direction in which direction the larger force is applying. अब तक आप समझ चुके होंगे कि बैलेंस फोर्स और अनबैलेंस फोर्स में डिफरेंस क्या होता है। बैलेंस फोर्स में कोई चेंज नहीं आता, अगर मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट है तो मूव करती रहेगी, स्टेशनरी है तो स्टेशनरी में रहेगी। अनबैलेंस फोर्स शेप, डायरेक्शन एंड मोशन को चेंज कर देती है। तो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर कोई सेक्शन समझ में नहीं आया हो तो वीडियो को रिपीट करें और देखें। थैंक यू।